it's crazy. For ignition mode, can't even put the park brake down. Hold the brake. You need to put ignition mode. So I'm gonna pop, pop, pop. Then put it down. Boom. Turn it back off. So in one of the previous videos, I threw on the front brake pads for the car. I haven't gotten to the rears. It's a little bit tricky because of electronic park brake, but I decided to not waste any of you guys' time and just show you guys how I'm gonna do the rears. So I'm hoping you guys love the nice cricket sounds, honestly. I'm gonna get back here. It's T30. So what I'm doing is I am turning back the here. Just two little T30s, and you disconnect the motor, which I would recommend you plug it any way you can. You just push that up and pull, but the whole motor is off, and yeah, I'm just gonna set it to the side. I ain't gonna brake pad piece that the motor goes in, turning it clockwise. And I'm just gonna stick this tool in between the caliper and the pad and push back all the way till it stops. So what that does is it gives me room for the new pad. Sorry you guys can't see my pretty face, but that's how it's done. Take off this. Now this will just eliminate the use of those scan tools. I mean, I don't think this is necessarily the wrong way to do it. You know, I just think it's an alternative way, less professional, yeah, but also cheaper and save you some money. You could do it at your house with a simple Torx bit. So, top's done. Get the bottom off. Impacts or, you know, electronical power tools will definitely help the process too. Pop this sucker right out of the brake pad. It's not ideal to let this hang all the way. It's low enough so it doesn't add any stress onto the brake line. So this sensor, just follow the path and disconnect, jug out. As we go along, it's connected in two places. I don't know if you guys. It is connected in two places. I don't know if you guys can see. Right here too. Give it a nice little tug. Oh, actually 3 places. Oh my God, 4 places. This little tug. Sorry, it's hard to film and do it at the same time. Pop this bad boy. It's so funny because it's like a dust cover. When you open, it's like so much dust inside of it. It's crazy. Oh, yeah. Just pull this old puppy right on out. Yo, it's pretty simple, especially got a nice day. Brake pads out, which are pretty easy. These are more like your simple brake pad setup, like normal floating calipers and stuff. They all look the same. The fixed ones are easy to change. They're pretty cool. I guess the idea of it is, you know, if you're on the track, it's easy to just slide in and out brake pads versus the backs, which require a lot of work, a lot more work. Not much work in total, but a lot more work. You can see the part in the wind, but the pads on the rear weren't actually as bad. They still need to be changed pretty low, but not that bad in my opinion. Give you a comparison. These are the new pads. Now, what sucks about these is these are OEM as well, but they don't come with that pasty stuff that I hope I don't need. I hope it doesn't squeak on the brakes because, well, nothing came in the bag. Comes with new hardware. That's cool. I don't like replacing the hardware, the little sliders and stuff like that. You guys know obviously the difference between the worn out brake sensor. Let's see if this one hit the, yep, this one hit the wear indicators as well. Boom, you can see right here. This is the new one, OEM, so same color. Pretty simple and easy to go. Like I said, I'll speed up and yeah, finish this. You just check to see which side goes on which side. These one with the 2 dots sit on the front face, and the one without the 2 dots, well, the 2 dots further out, you put in the inside. So I'm gonna grab this one. which is further out. We're gonna put that on the inside. Can get a little tricky putting this back on, but the idea is to just, you know, line up the teeth as best you can. I got it held on because I don't want to let it go. Yeah, but I'm gonna just go ahead and throw the motor back on. Put the notch facing toward the rotor. Knock it in. Just follow a path. It's kind of easy. Between this, that clips. This goes in here. This connects. Like that. Make sure the weatherproofing thing is on the right side. Everything is on and tight. I'm actually gonna pull the e-brake thing to see what happens, and you guys let me know if that thing like makes a noise and actually works. Moment of truth. Let's see. It looks like it took a little while. It doesn't release, but let's go see. I heard it on this side, and I feel like I heard this side do a lot of work. And I think it did. We'll see. Let me check the camera. But it's on there pretty freaking tight. All right, guys and girls, we are done. So what I'm gonna do now is reset the service. We're going to reset the brake light and other things, brake light, brake pad interval, and I'll reset the vehicle check and things of that nature. Vehicle's been checked already, so I'll show you guys how to do that. 1, 2, 3. Diagnostics mode. I'll wait till everything in the middle does what it needs to do. BC button. So we see some magic popping up. Boom, here we go. Ah, you gotta hold this thing forever. Boom. I'm gonna hold it as I'm resetting. I don't think you need to, but 200,000 miles. Go, vehicle check, reset, and front brake pad reset. We should be all good to go. That pesky brake light and wrench light should be off the car. I need brakes, and it'll have this light illuminated, which is brake, and it'll have this wrench right here, which kind of means the same thing's wrong with the car. Like, for instance, let's say if I have drivetrain malfunction and the check engine light comes on, you'll see a wrench and the check engine light. The wrench? What's the point of the wrench? Let's see what we got. Whoa! Look at that. No brake light. 200,000 miles is kind of crazy, but hey, listen, I'll take it. So what's up, guys? Put in the comment section down below. Tell me what you think about me actually DIYing stuff on a car. Saves you guys a ton of money, and I don't know, I feel like I feel pretty good debunking some of those like professional methods. Like, oh my god, you need a scan tool, which you guys clearly see just now. I did it without a scan tool. So save me tons and tons of money, because I read somewhere a crazy price on the forums that BMW for just rear brakes and resurfacing rotors charge about 1,100 bucks. But yeah, I probably spent somewhere around $400 to $500 shipped to the door using the BMW discounted thing to get genuine, authentic dealer BMW brakes. Sorry the camera died, but thank you guys for tuning in. Micro Vid, peace out.